Hello, my name is Ajinkya Kapse. This is my Arduino project, which is about detecting the object from the distance. If the object is within the range, the computer will generate the beep sound continuously by using Python programming, where the red LED will blink by using Arduino programming. Otherwise, green LED will turn on. Here is the circuit where an ultrasonic sensor is connected, which is used to detect the object and its distance from it. The trigger pin is connected to pin number 12 and echo pin is connected to pin number 11. Here, red LED is connected to pin number 7 and 8, whereas green LED is connected to pin number 5 and 6. Now I will start the circuit by connecting Arduino with computer via USB. The circuit is started. Here, no object is detecting, hence green LED is on. But when an object is come within the range, the red LED will start blinking. When object is goes far out of the range, green LED will become on. This is the circuit diagram where ultrasonic sensor is connected. Its trigger pin is connected to pin number 12 and echo pin is connected to pin number 11. And LEDs are also connected to specified pins. Hardware part is done. Now let's jump on coding part. This project have two programs, one for Arduino which is calculate the distance of the object and also handle LED. Other program is in Python which will create a virtual world and show the object in real. HCSR04, which is nothing but ultrasonic sensor, is used in this project. Here I define some constant variable. Trigger pin is in 12, echo pin is in 11. I variable is defined for loop and distance duration will be required for calculations. Here in setup I define trigger pin as output since it will produce ultrasonic sound and echo pin as input because it will catch the sound. This loop will define all pin as output since it is required for LEDs. I set baud rate as 9600 for serial port. Now let's jump on the loop. This section will trigger the sound in specified way so that signal will settle. By using pulse in function, echo pin will calculate the duration of catching the sound. For calculating the distance from it, we have to multiply it with the speed of sound divided by 10,000 and then again divide it by 2. This will give distance in centimeter. Since for this project I require distance in inches, so this formula can give me distance in inches. Now we simply print the distance in inches to the serial monitor. Now let's jump on LED working. If the object distance is less than 5 inches, the green LED will turn off and both red LEDs will start blinking. So this section will turn off the green LEDs and this section will blink the red LEDs. If the object is not within the range, the green LEDs will turn on. So this section will turn on the green LEDs. Now let's run the program. Here you can see we get the proper output. So this output can be further used in Python programming. Here I use serial library for getting serial data from Arduino. Visual library is used to create virtual world. Win32com is used for TTS, that is text to speech. WinSound library is used to get window sound, and here we are using it for beeping sound. And tkinter is used to create a GUI window which will ask for runtime range. This class is used to create GUI window with the help of tkinter library. It will ask for maximum range. Frequency and duration is used for beep sound. This will create a virtual world window. Here I specified title for it and width and height. This will turn off the auto. This will provide the show it as grid. This will display the which shows the distance of the where the target is displayed by using a box. If the target is out of range, the color will be green. Here I created a virtual ultrasonic sensor. So it will contain a box and two cylinders, where one cylinder is trigger and another one is echo. Sensor data variable will cache the serial data from COM3 port which have baud rate of 9600. This is the text to speech section. Now let's jump on while loop. This is the infinite loop which will continuously run and will give real time value. This will limit the rate of speed of while. In this section, when we do not get any data, this loop will pass. Here, the data will be cached from serial monitor and stored in a variable named as data Arduino. Data Arduino is in string format. It will be converted into float by using float method. The target distance is get updated in every loop. In this section, if the distance of the object is within the range val, that is less than the range val, it will set its color to red and window will start beeping sound. This beep sound will continuously beep. Otherwise, it will convert its color into green. Now let's run this program. Here as you can see, we have to enter the range so that it will provide the range at runtime. Let us give the range in 5 inches.
The virtual world is starting.
Here you can see the target distance is approx 8 inches. The data will change at runtime when the object moves. Here you can see that. As we specified 5 inches for the range, so let's move the target. Here you can see that the target is within the range. The beep sound will generate by using Windows and the target color is changes to red. So this is all about my project. Thank you.